probably should have applied it a little bit closer because now I look like I got a chrome down, but that's fine. I look like the Terminator, but that's okay.
Listen long enough, you can love me.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen, I am back for another video, and guess what? It is a wine and wigs Wednesday. Clink, 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 clink. For today, for Wine and Wigs Wednesday, we got something a little bit different. Y'all know I like to get into my wine real quick first before we get into this hair. And the wine that we have here, this is actually a rice wine. This is sake. You can drink it cold, room temp, or warm. Most people drink it warm. And this is the Sho Chikubai. Me and my husband love sake. Done. It tastes kind of like liquor to me. This bottle was only 10 bucks, I think, from Total Wine. So come get you some. Y'all see this hair right here? Look at these waves. So this hair right here was sent to me from Lemoda Hair, and this video is sponsored by Lemoda Hair. Now, Lemoda Hair is an online hair store. They have wigs, weaves, all types of items on that site at a very affordable price. And one of the wigs that they have for sale is this wig right here. This wig is the Lemoda Malaysian Water Wave Human Hair. It's a glueless lace front wig. It's pre-plucked with baby hairs and it has 150% density. Now, as far as the cap construction goes, it has a lace front. It has 4 combs in the cap and adjustable straps in the back. Now, as far as the wig itself, it says it's pre-plucked. It definitely is pre-plucked. It's not pre-plucked to perfection, but it's pre-plucked to satisfaction. Like, you don't have to plug it if you don't want to, but if you want to be extra and perfect, you want to be Kel and Derek out here, you can go ahead and pluck it some more. The length on this wig is 22 inches. Let me go ahead and show you what the hair looks like in the back. My favorite thing about this hair is not only the texture, but the lace. Because a lot of these companies, they make very, very grayish sort of lace. And the lace on this wig, I've noticed, is like a warm color, which I really enjoy. Now, this lace was still too light for me, but it was easier to work with it. I'm going to show you guys what I do, and I got weak edges. To safely apply your wig to your hairline so it looks really, really natural, what we're not going to do is end up like Naomi Campbell. Love her, she's a queen, but we want to keep our edges, okay? Yeah, so if you want to see how I've applied this gorgeous, beautiful wig, just keep on watching. So we're going to start off by bleaching our knots with the L'Oreal Quick Blue Extra Strength powdered bleach, and I'm also going to mix it with the 30 volume developer. I like this powdered bleach better. It's creamier and it sits better on the lace, so I like this better than the kaleidoscope. We're going to spread that all over the lace and allow that to sit for about, I want to say about 40-45 minutes. And once we're done, we just wash it out, and we're going to start by also cutting off the lace, taking your time and carefully trimming the lace as close as possible to the hairline. Next, we're going to apply our trusty dusty wig grip. This is an important step for me because it supports the wig, and I also add a wig cap to protect my hair. Now, I'm just going to apply the wig and figure out where I like to place it, and then I'm going to use the end of like a flat surface. These are some tweezers, and I'm going to use some Got to Be Glued gel, the invisible kind, and I'm just going to go ahead and spread it onto my edges and then spread it backwards into my hairline. I found that this works better because the hairline of the wig is not just sticking to your baby hairs on the edges, it's also being supported by the hair behind it. And the wig grip stops the wig from pulling on your edges. A lot of times the glue or the gel is what's keeping the wig on, and what we want to do is allow the wig grip to keep the wig on and to allow the gel to melt the lace. So we're not pulling at our edges as the wig starts to move throughout the day, because all wigs move throughout the day, but with the wig grip they don't. So that's what helps you save your edges, and I love doing this method. It doesn't lay as flat, but I'm okay with that because I much rather have a little bit of a lumpier wig versus having no edges. I'm just saying. So now what we're doing is we're using some got to be glued spray, and we're applying it to the loose lifted edges, and we're using a comb just to go ahead and press those edges down. So I just try and take my time and use the end of a flat surface and catch every lifted part of the lace, and that's what makes it look the most natural to me. And I do this without any makeup because the makeup makes it harder to apply. I don't use like a wrap or anything around the edges because I found that it melts down and makes the edges crusty on the wig. So I just like to try and apply and let the blow dryer dry the gel. So I'm just going to go ahead and part it down the middle, and I'm using a hot comb. I love this hot comb. It keeps your wigs super, super flat, especially when you turn it towards the back side of the comb. So it lays it down and makes it look much more natural. I'm also going to use some makeup and cover the lace on my head. Since I will be wearing makeup today, it allows the hairline to match with my head. And I'm using the Amon concealing foundation. I forgot what color it is, but I'll leave it down below. So I've already put on my makeup. I look ghostly, but I haven't set my makeup yet, so don't judge me. But we're going to get there. I use my contour and I make sure I place it on the lace in my forehead so it begins to blend. I want it to blend all the way in. Now we're going to add some Jane Carter solution, wrap solution onto our hair. We're just going to go ahead and allow those curls and those waves to come alive. So I just rub it through the hair, and as you can see, it gives it like this lively sort of crimp wave curl, and I love, love, love using the Jane Carter solution wrap and roll foam. It's amazing, and I'll go ahead and leave for a link for that stuff down below as well. So now that it's dry, I kind of over bleached my knot, so I'm using the e.l.f. eyebrow gel. I think it's like an eyebrow gel, and I'm just going to add it to the over bleached roots just to make it blend in a little bit more, and I have less of that halo effect on my head. So we're just going to just slightly apply it there, but you can also use the L'Oreal Root Touch Up, but I just ran out of that. And you see how natural it looks? That's basically it. What do y'all think? I hope y'all enjoyed my wig tutorial. If y'all have any tips on how to keep these corners down, like they're down now, but they're eventually gonna lift up, please let me know because it gets really, really annoying. If y'all have any questions about Lemoda hair in this Malaysian water wave wig, please let me know down below. I totally forgot about the wine. I don't even know how I forgot. Girl, I'm tired. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.